Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are in Sandbox in this thing. Make my mouse go off the screen. Yeah, boy, we're in Sandbox mode. I want to see, because I'm in Sandbox mode, so I can see what type of tank I get from the twin. Actually, no, I'm just gonna kill myself. The Doritos do more damage. Doritos, kill me, so I can get out of this thing. Need more Doritos. Yeah! You were killed by a square. Tag. No, maze. I'm gonna do maze. What's that? Yeah, I'm gonna go with that. This way. I'm gonna do bullet damage. What the? Nope, I'm doing tag. Hit enter to read. Tag, you're at tag. Haha. I won't get this thing. There's not even that many squares. Bruh. I want squares. Especially Doritos. You just run into these. Tara! Wait 1 second. Okay, we're good. Nope, no. Come on. The green, apparently the green, that dude's it. He's it. Kill him. Nope, he's it. Okay. Movement speed. Bullet damage. So I can just go bah. Look how fast, look how much. I'm gonna go twin. Bah. Then I upgrade reload all the way. I go super fast. Boom. Bah. I need to turn on bullet penetration. Wait, was that supposed to? Oh, was that supposed to happen? Boom. What the? What? Nope, get out. Nope, I'm just gonna yeet myself. Oh, and bullet damage. Boom, pew. Yeah, I got it. For sure. I'm like fastest. Nope. Bullet damage. Yeah, I'm recording. Yeah. Bullet damage. Oh, Tara! No! Okay, guys, I'm back. Bang. Damage. Bang. Bullet damage. Bang. Twin and bullet damage, bullet penetration. I can upgrade 11 times. I'm the fastest. I will max out everything, guys, so. Wait, whoa! Enter. Enter. That. Bullet damage. Penetration. Bullet speed. Bullets. My bullets will be so fast. Next, just do reload. Bang. Now I just need to get, what's it called? Reload. Then I will have the ultimate twin. Then I'll do bullets, my speed and stuff. Reload. Domination. I'm gonna do that. Get rid of this creepy ad. What does domination mean? Oh, I know. Tara, stop licking everything. You weirdo. Oh, I know. Let's continue. How do you get those Dorito things to follow you? Tara! Stop! Nope. Nope. Nope, 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 nope. I'm just gonna go, nope, I'm going in here. Just gonna go over here and just shoot Doritos and cheese curds. So. Tara, stop licking everything. Twin. Dorito. Reload and reload. Bullet penetration. Now it goes super far. Boom. I need one more upgrade thing. I am participating. Wait, what? Twin. And I'm just gonna go bullets, reload. Boom. There better not be an arena closer. Oh my. Nope, nope. Nope, I'm running. 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 Girl, 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 girl. Connecting. Ooh, blue, yay! Always do reload first. How do I get these Doritos? Doritos, stay with me. How do I get them space? E, F, D, R, E, M. Wait, if I hit M, I can upgrade. How do you get the Doritos? Comment down below if I'm just being stupid. Please tell me if I'm being stupid. Why can't I upgrade things? This game's broken now. I'm gonna hype if you can. Yeah, I have to deal with my face. Right. So this game's... I'm just gonna go straight into this diep thing. There's also these things. Oh, nope, nope. I'm gonna upgrade that, upgrade that, upgrade that, upgrade that. Apparently I upgraded it. Still says I have none. It does upgrade it. Oh my. Oh, I'm gonna hit. Oh. Oh yeah, I forgot my face cam was hiding. Oops. Denominator. 2 teams. Yay! Enter. Enter. Doritos. Doritos. Guys, I'm actually going to end this video here. Thank you guys for watching. Please consider subscribing and leave a like, please. And check out, I accidentally paused it. Check out G-Man 630. Goodbye.